Hi everyone, this is Chef Andrew from Keto Fine Dining and welcome back to my channel. So unfortunately the summer is over and the cold weather is upon us, but that's why I'm here for you to show you a delicious heartwarming recipe for miso soup with mushrooms and seafood that's gonna warm you up and make you forget all about the upcoming gloomy winter. So let's get started. Here's the list of all the ingredients you're gonna need for this recipe. The first step is to take a medium pot, then add 2 liters of water, bring it to a boil, and then turn off the heat. The easiest way to make miso soup base is to use Dashi type soybean paste. For 2 liters of water, you're gonna need to use about 4.5 to 5 tablespoons of this paste, depending on how salty you prefer your soup to be. And the best way to mix soybean paste in water is to use a ladle. Simply add 4.5 tablespoons of Dashi type miso base, and then dip it with the paste into the water and let it slowly dissolve by mixing the paste with a tablespoon. The next step is to add tofu. Here I'm using a quarter of the package and I have already cut them into small cubes. Then let's add 2 tablespoons of Wakame dry seaweed and you have a ready miso soup that tastes just like in the restaurant. Although in Japan people usually like to add more ingredients to the miso soup to make it even more delicious, interesting and filling. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do here right now. Let's put the soup aside for a second. Then take a non-stick frying pan, add about 3 tablespoons of ghee or butter, and wait for the butter to melt. Then add 120 grams of button or cremini mushrooms. Let's season the mushrooms with 2 cloves of garlic and also with a little salt and pepper. Once you have a nice brown color in them, let's add to the frying pan 300 grams of boiled baby clam meat and cook them until all the water has evaporated from the pan. And once you think they're ready, add everything to the miso soup. There you have it guys, it's very fast and simple to make, very healthy and tastes absolutely delicious. If you like this video, please hit the like button, then subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more delicious keto recipes, and I'll see you very soon in the next episode. Bye!